So today we're going to be opening a Pokemon Sword and Shield Rebel Clash. Now, this set came out quite a while ago, I think like May 1st of 2020, I believe. Yeah, this is a little while ago. I'm not really sure what's in this for cards. There is a few valuable ones that I know that I want, specifically the Dragapult Rainbow Rare and Sonya Rainbow Rare Trainer card. Those would be really cool to have. So let's just get right into opening this thing. So, as always, we got these cool books with all the cards that are in the collection. So I guess we can see here the one that I'm after. That one. Make sure it's in focus of the camera. Alright, so that Sonya Rainbow Rare right there. I really like that Inteleon as well. And then there's a Dragapult down here in the corner. Some very nice artwork on these cards. Also got the rules, which are useless since I don't play. Energy, could use that. These Copperjaw packs. Yeah, I'm not a fan of these artwork on these particular sleeves, but we'll keep them packaged. They put them there for display purposes. Alright, there's all our packs. 8 of them total. So, throw that off. Energy, fighting. Scoop Up Net. Come on, focus. Heracross, Electrode, Barboach, Squavette, Haplin, Ample, Trubbish, Marpeco, and it's the reverse. On the end, we have a Hollow Hatterene. Hatterene? Attorney General? I don't know. I would like to save some of these packaging. I just barely put a Cosmic Eclipse like in a case. It looks pretty cool. Maybe I'll show that on screen. Something. I'd like to keep the packages, you know, for like nostalgia purposes. I'm gonna have to open these off screen because of my terrible setup. 3 to the front, take off the energy, fire. Alright. Got Gallarmine, Durant, Electrode, Clefairy, Voltorb, Growlithe, Dreepy, Snover, Morgrem as a reverse, Galarian Berserker. Okay, I'm going to try and salvage this one because it has Inteleon on the front, which was my starter for Sword and Shield. Well, kind of gave up a bit on salvaging the pack, but that's not too bad. Alright, as always, 3 to the front, take off the energy, electric. Another electric, this one with speed. That's how I want all my energies. Metapod, Made of Yarn, Heliolisk, Corsola, Toxel, Mr. Mime, Snover, P-Dub, Training Court as the reverse. It's kind of cool to see that as a card. And then Toxicity on the end. So garbage. Have not gotten anything of value yet. Well, I guess we get the holo. That's about as good as we've got so far. Can you see all my junk? Yeah, just 3 to the front. Take off the energy. Psychic. I'm always just throwing them up backwards, upside down. Wow, we got the horror energy. That's 2 that came in like a pair like that. It's kind of strange. I didn't do the 3 to the front. Yes, I did. Forgot what I was doing. Heatmor, the Fire Anteater, Marpeco, the shape-shifting squirrel, Metatite, the Pokemon that became a Buddha, became enlightened, and as a result, explodes every now and again. That's what enlightenment does to you. You just become a living bomb. Grubbin, Wingull, Natu, Abomasnow reverse, and on the end we have Seismitoad. So we're just gonna throw that in rage at the wall back there. Three to the front, throw off the energy, steel. Get Electrode, Xatu, Lombre, Coughing, Bronzer, Toxel, Litwick, Lotad, Heracross reverse, and on the end, Butterfree. We're getting really terrible luck with this. Really bad. So I guess Copperjaw doesn't have mystic powers. It's just kind of a regular piece of shit elephant, which is really disappointing. I was kind of hoping that this Lego elephant would give us some good luck, but it looks like we got nothing of value here. So, alright. I should be giving away these code cards for the... There you go. There's the code. Do with it what you will. Alright. We got the water energy upside down as always. That's going to be my trademark now. And we're going to do 3 to the... Why did I do 3? I did 3 to the front again. We're going to just find out where the rare is in this pack because I messed it up. So we got Magikarp. Okay. We've got Barboach reverse, and there's our good card, Flapple Holo. I really like this holo card. That's quite nice. Apple Drop and Acid Spray. I do have one of those already, somewhere. Nugget, got Tranquil, Shinx, Roly-Coly. I hate this Pokemon. Applin. There we go. We got the starter for that Flapple. Not the starter, but you know, the first evolution or whatever. We only got 2 more packs to go. And I've assassinated Copperjaw over here in my rage. To the front, we've got the upside down Dark Energy. We've got a Burning Scarf, which is how you want your scarves, as always, on fire. Indeedee, Skyla, Hatterena, Galarian Darumaku. Scyther. I like that Scyther artwork. Scyther is one of my favorite Pokemon, so that's quite nice artwork on that card. Probably sleeve that. Just because it looks nice. Nosepass, Wingull. So I've been playing a little bit of Emerald, and I got a Wingull because of the second gym is fighting type. So Wingull is fantastic against it, and I'm just vibing with Wingull right now. He's doing great. He's part of my team. He's very speedy. He's very quick. He's got some really high speed. It's helping me out there. He's got Electabuzz reverse, and on the end we've got Diggersby. What is happening to his stomach, dude? Strange. Makes me uncomfortable. Okay, this is the final pack. We haven't gotten a single GX, just I believe 2 holos. So this has not been a great pack. There's the code for whoever plays. We've got the upside down grass energy. We've got Shuckle. I actually really like Shuckle. It's kind of like a deformed turtle. I might sleeve that one too. Just, you never know when a PSA 10 Shuckle is going to be worth $75,000. Alright, the Phalanx Farfetch'd. So this guy is my actual favorite Pokemon, and he's definitely going to get a nice sleeve. What's his approximate value? Probably about 50 cents. He's not worth anything, but I value him in my heart, so. Meowth, Caterpie, Corsola, Litwick. The reverse is the Weeping, and on the end we have Edgegloss V. So this is our first, I said GX card, but Sword and Shield is doing these V cards now. Our first V card, and come on, focus. Yeah, it's one of the worst. It's one of the worst cards in the set. So that was not worth it at all. That was terrible garbage luck. And I kind of hate this elephant creature now. This Copperjaw being. Not a fan. I was a fan. I got your Rebel Clash box. It was a huge disappointment. And, yeah. That's gonna do it for me. This was my setup. I had my phone in this little packaging right here. And this is actually my bathroom closet. And then I've got this extension cord going all the way over to my bathroom sink for the perfect opportunity to shock myself.